Hello everyone, in this video we are going to study about lymph drainage of stomach. This is the part 3 video of anatomy of stomach video series. If you haven't watched the previous 2 videos, you can watch the videos using the link in the description. Let's get into the video. Understanding the lymph drainage of stomach is very crucial. It will help you to understand how the stomach carcinoma metastasis occurs along the lymph drainage system. Here is our stomach. The lymphatic vessels anastomose all around the stomach. But due to the valves in the lymphatic vessels, the drainage has some specific directions. According to the directions, we can draw some imaginary lines. Let's say there is a line which is parallel to the greater curvature, which is dividing the surface of the stomach into larger 2/3 area and lesser 1/3 area. Okay, this line is called, this demarcation is called as the watershed. Okay, and this part, this lower 1/3, the crescentic part, can be further divided into upper quarter and the lower 3/4 parts. Okay, these are imaginary lines which is drawn according to the areas which the lymphatic flow starts and lymph drainage occurs. Okay, it will be easier to understand if we have these imaginary lines. Okay, right, this part, this larger 2/3 part drains into left gastric nodes and right gastric nodes. Okay, these names of the lymph nodes are similar to the names of the blood vessels in the same area. So understanding the blood supply of the stomach will help you to understand the lymphatic drainage. Okay, now this left upper quadrant, this part will drain into pancreatico-splenic nodes, which is at the splenic hilum, and the left gastroepiploic nodes. Okay, the lymphatic flow through the pancreatico-splenic node will occur along the splenic artery, splenic vessels. Okay, this lower part, this lower 3/4 part will drain into right gastroepiploic nodes and subpyloric nodes. The flow through the right gastroepiploic nodes is along the right gastroepiploic vessels. And here the subpyloric nodes. Sub means it's under the pylorus. This is the pyloric area. So these nodes are under the pylorus. So these nodes are called as subpyloric nodes. There is a difference in the pyloric area. The pyloric area can drain into subpyloric nodes, right gastric nodes and hepatic nodes. The hepatic nodes are in the porta hepatis. Anyhow, all the lymph drainage will ultimately go through the celiac nodes. Okay, the celiac nodes are around the celiac artery, which we have already studied in the posterior relation of the stomach. Okay, this is a one organ, one part which is making the stomach bed. So this is how lymph drainage of stomach occurs. Okay, this is an easy picture. You can remember this picture, and these names comes with the similar names with the vessels. Okay, vessels which supply the stomach. There is another additional point. In rare cases of stomach carcinoma, the metastasis can occur along the thoracic duct, and it can reach the left supraclavicular lymph nodes. So, during the examination, we can find enlarged left supraclavicular lymph nodes. This is called as Troisius sign. Hope the video was useful. Thank you.